The next part we're going to cover is the modular tricep push down or press down. With this, there's a lot of different handles that you can utilize. Each one pretty much for comfort. Some will hit the tricep or the back part of the arm a little bit different. Now with this, I'm just using the V-bar. I'm going to secure my back against the pad. That allows me, or it stops me from swinging around. From here, I want to bring it right around my chest height, and I'm extending down. If you have a luxury on this, you can see yourself in a mirror. This gives you a chance to check your technique. So I'm controlling the weight up, contracting down. Control, contract. And I'm really focusing on using those. I don't want to have my arms swinging up and down. I'm just coming here and straight down. Now, if I want to utilize a different type of handle on here, I simply disengage the